Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new to this channel and share the link of the channel to some students or somewhere that may be of help. So today we have a problem on the board. Actually, this problem is on what permutation. So the question says, in how many ways can the letters of the word totality be arranged? Okay, so our solution to this problem, we want to bring out the letter totality, okay, like this. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to number the letters. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from that we know that the total, okay, number of letters is how many? So we have 8, so we are going to say 8 factorial. Alright. Now the next step is you want to check if any letter repeats. Now, is there any letter that repeats? Yes, I can observe in the word totality, T, okay, is here 1, 2, and 3 times. Is there any other letter that repeats? O does not repeat, A does not repeat, I does not repeat, and Y does not repeat. So, we can see that letter T, okay, repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3. So say 3 factorial. Alright? So when you have permutation, which has to do with arrangement of words, of a word or letters, all you need to do, permutation simply means arrangement, okay, of letters or some other objects or items. So for words like totality, all we need to do is the total number of letters. So total number of letters, okay, factorial, divided by okay, the repeated factorial. So in this case, we have our total number of letters as 8 factorial divided by letter T repeated 3 times, so we have 3 factorial. So all we need to do in this problem is we are going to simplify this to be able to get our solution to this problem. So let's quickly simplify this and see what it gives us. All right, so we are going to have now 8 factorial, okay, means we have 8 times 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. But now since we have 3 factorial, we can stop here as 8 factorial stopping at 3 factorial. Now the reason for that is to enable us cancel out this 3 factorial as denominator. So this will cancel out this 1, 1. Okay. So let's see what we are left with. So our permutation of the word totality becomes we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Okay. So let's multiply it. Okay, we have this is 8. If I multiply this to what do we have? We have is 40 2. If I multiply this to what we have is 20. Alright. Now we can still say 8 times. Let's multiply this 2. Okay. We can have it as I can put this 0 here so that it is 420 times 2. Okay, so this will give us 8 times 2 times 0 here is 0. 2 times 2 is what? 4. And 2 times 4 is what? 8. Okay, so we have 8 times what? 840. Alright, so let's multiply that to see number of ways we are going to get. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32, so we have 2. Put down the 3. Now 8 times 8 we have is what? 64. So for add this is what? 67. So we have 6,720 ways. Alright, so the number of ways we can array the word totality, okay, is what? 6,720. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video link to somebody that may be of help. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.